Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Magento. So today we are going to learn how to import reviews in Magento 2 using the Magento 2 admin UI. So let's get started how we are going to achieve that. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have the CSV file. You can see that. So we have a product ID and email. So I'm going to change the email over here because I have already added this email, rajnikant123 @ gmail.com. Okay, so here I'm going to add any of the name 24 24 24. Okay, so I have going to add this one. Good, missing something, nothing, product, yes, good, great, good, and this all things, right? So here you can define your ratings. If I get 2, if I get 1 over here, you can also add. These are the statuses 1 to 3, whether it's to be pending, complete, or in process. You can change the status accordingly, right? So this is CSV is done, right? So now we are going to try to import this. So here we have a reverse importer, import, and then we have a browse. Then we will go over this one. This is 659. I did it. Then I'm going to change this and import. So here we are just downloading the CSV file, then we are going to browse the file. So here we have a recent file, then import sample CSV, then import review. So you can see that reviews are imported successfully. Let's see it is an import successfully or not. If I go and check the front end also, you can check the front end part also. So let's see the front end. So here we have the test category. I have added reviews on that. So we have a demo, test and test 3. Let's see the reviews. So you can see that reviews are coming over here, missing something, review by this, but these are not approved yet. So let's see, let's check and approve that one. So we have to go to this rating section. So we have this by products we have rated, then we have this kind of ratings. You can see that the last one which we have approved 24, right? You can see that here CSV, and these are all are approved. Okay, and if I go and see this one, edit this one, this is approved and it's showing on over here. And those who are not approved, let's go to the back and check. So all these are approved. Here you can see that all the reviews that we have in the CSV all are imported over here. Okay, so this is how we are able to import the CSV file in the Magento 2 using the custom module. If you want me to show the whole source code, you can just write me down in the comment section. I will explain the whole source code, what exactly we have done. Any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.